Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It was fairly recently that I started making videos, but I have been baking for quite a while, and I thought it would be fun to share some pictures of my previous work. If you see anything that you would like me to make a video for, please let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, it would really mean a lot to me if you liked and subscribed. Maybe hit the bell notifications for when new videos get posted. Feel free to also follow on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy.